The BMW X7 is largest and most expensive SUV from BMW, so it's their premium in the full-sized SUV line. The BMW first announced the X7 on October 2018 and it's available at dealerships as of March 2019. The 2023 BMW X7 receives a mid-cycle refresh, including a new front-end digital display and BMW's latest infotainment system. The largest BMW SUV also has new features and driver assistance. Besides 23-inch rims, BMW will also offer an updated powertrain with the X7. The xDrive 40i's turbocharged 6-cylinder now makes 375 horsepower, while the M50i's name changes to M60i. And the dual-turbo 4.4-liter engine and 48-volt hybrid drive system are said to be more efficient, and that makes 523 horses. With 630 horsepower, the Alpina XB7 is even more powerful than the M60i. The price for the X7 xDrive 40i and M60i starts from $80,000 and $105,000. Even more expensive than these is the BMW Alpina XB7, which starts at $145,000. With an 8-speed automatic and all-wheel drive, each X7 rides on air suspension with adaptive dampers, and its chassis is further enhanced with rear axle steering and active anti-roll bars. By default, the M60i has a sportier suspension setup, so both features are standard. Within, the X7's dashboard is mostly occupied by a gargantuan digital screen that's just barely curved. It boasts a 12.3 inches display cluster for the driver and a 14.9 inches touchscreen, through which the infotainment system is operated. There are plenty of luxury features inside, like heated front seats, a panoramic sunroof, a power-adjustable steering wheel, and ambient interior lighting. However, we found the power-operated second-row captain's chairs that make it easy to let people in and out of the third row are much slower than they should be. Similarly, the way-back seats won't accommodate many adults, but you'll find lots of inside cubbies to stow away items. The Cadillac Escalade is a full-size luxury SUV which Cadillac introduced in response to its competitors in the market. The Escalade project was ready for production 10 months after its approval and was manufactured in Texas. Escalade means to assail an enemy fortification, scaling it with ladders or siege towers. The 5th-generation Escalade debuted in Beverly Hills on the 4th of February for the 2021 model year, even though production was put off to deal with the pandemic. General Motors had plans to have the new Escalade in showrooms as planned. To excite about the Escalade, Cadillac launched a 3D visualizer that lets users interact with the vehicle. Users are able to look at the Escalade from every angle and take in its looks, doors, trunk, and more. Cadillac's 5th-generation Escalade shares the GMT1XX platform with the Chevrolet Tahoe and Chevrolet Suburban, and it has a similar grille design to the Cadillac XT crossover. Cadillac introduced its Super Cruise feature in January 2020, allowing hands-free self-driving, in line with the automaker's new naming convention. The Duramax 3.0 liters LM2 turbodiesel inline 6-cylinder engine was added as a no-charge option on January 31, 2020. From the outside, it is longer than the previous Escalade and has more passenger space. A performance version of the Escalade was introduced in 2022, called the Escalade V. The Escalade V utilizes a 6.2-liter V8 supercharged engine. This vehicle delivers 682 horsepower and is equipped with a 10-speed manual automatic transmission. It accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.4 seconds. 5 trim levels are available on the 5th-generation Escalade: Luxury, Premium Luxury, Sport, and Premium Luxury Platinum. The interior comes in 8 trim options and 4 seating designs. AKG audio technology is new, and 36 speakers are located throughout the cabin.